How to buy TOSHI Meme Coin. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the source bar, you have to search for sushi.com. It will land you on this page. Once you're in here, you will have to connect your wallet. So click on Connect Wallet at the top right corner. Select any of the wallet. Let me click on MetaMask for now. And then in the network section, you have to select for Base. Click on it. Now click on Switch. Now what you want to do is, in the token section, you have to select for Ethereum, and then in the second section you have to select for TOSHI. Now in the Ethereum, you have to enter the amount that you want to swap with TOSHI. Once you have entered the amount, and if the balance is sufficient, you have to click on Trade. After that, you will successfully receive the TOSHI Meme Coin, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can buy TOSHI Meme Coin. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. If you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.